This video will show you how to remove the stock tail lights on all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs.
All right, first up here, of course, pop your trunk. We have to get this trim liner off right around the trunk latch. Now, one thing to keep in mind is on both sides, there are push pin clips, one down here, one up top, and the same on the other side. You'll have to get those off. Ours is missing all four. It is a used vehicle, so keep that in mind. Yours may be missing it as well. You just want to pop off all four of them with a panel removal tool. They just pry right out. From there, you can lift up and pull this guy forward. Now, keep in mind your trunk may have the internal trunk light, in which case you want to disconnect that harness. Again, ours is a used vehicle, so it's pretty light, kind of pops right off. And we're just gonna let that guy sit aside while we work on the back of the taillight. Okay, looking at the back of the taillight here, now that the trim's out of the way, you might have to pull back this trunk liner just a little bit. There are three 11mm nuts holding this guy on, one right here, down low, and then up in the corner. The up in the corner one's a little tough to see. You wanna grab your ratchet and an 11mm deep socket and get these off. You can usually break them loose and then get them off by hand. From there, you can pinch and disconnect the harness and begin to pull back on the taillights. All right, from the inside, you want to push out the rubber grommet from that hole, feed the wiring harness out, pull the taillight out, and set it aside.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.